Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to filter data in custom views on Google Sheets. Filtering data in custom views in Google Sheets allows you to save and switch between different filter configurations without having to reapply them each time. This is especially useful for managing large data sets with multiple views. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to create and use custom views. The first thing you need to do is to open the Google Sheets document where you want to filter data and create custom views. Then select the range of cells or columns you want to filter. So I'm just going to have to insert something over here. That's James. Okay, so select the range of cells or the columns you want to filter, and I have this one. I'm just going to click on Control and keep highlighting this. Now the next step is to go to data, which is at the top corner of your screen. Then you're going to see a couple of options in here. Go ahead and select create a filter, and once you do that, so the next thing you like to do is to click the filter icon in the header, which is here. So click the filter icon in the header of the column you want to filter and choose your filter criteria. Example, filter by condition, values, or by text, and then adjust the filter setting as needed to display the data that you want. So let's say filter by condition, and you're going to have to apply your condition. So let's say text starts with R. So text starts with R, and you can go ahead and adjust other settings if you want to and click on OK. So you see, I have filtered every other thing, so only text that starts with R are meant to stay right here. And here you go. So this is root. Every other data has been filtered. So that's it. Then the next thing is to save a custom view if you want to. So go to data, which is at the top corner, and click on filter views. So here we have save a filter view, which is here, or even create a filter view. So you can go ahead and click on create filter view, which is here. So this is the filter view. I'm just going to go ahead and click on dismiss, please. Dismiss, close. So this is a filter view. Then the next thing, so this is open a new filter view where you can see your current filter settings. So this is it. Then you can go ahead and rename your filter settings. All right, so rename your filter by clicking the name field. The default is temporary filter view 1. So you can just go ahead and click that. So that's the range, and this is temporary filter 1, and it doesn't seem like this wants to rename. All right, so this temporary filter, we can just click on it to see if it's going to rename. If it renames for you, that's fine. Then once you're done, you can now adjust the filter settings if needed. That's if you want to, and click on the X button to exit the filter view setup. So don't forget to click on save view, and that has been saved. So right here you can now edit it. So this is filter 1, so you can just leave it at that and click on save. And once you click on save, that's it. So click on X, and that exits the filter. So we're back to how we were. Now your custom view is now saved. So that's it. Your custom view is now saved, and you can switch between it and other views or the default view as needed. All right, and how do you switch? All right, so for you to switch between custom view, go ahead and open data. So click on data, and click on your filter view. So this is change filter view, and this is save. So these are view options. No, we don't want to do that. All right, so head over to change view and select the view that you want to change it to. So that's filter 1, and you can see that it has been changed to this view. So you can go ahead and click on data and change view, click on exit view, because we just have one view. And that's just pretty much it. So you can go over this tutorial to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. Remember, you can also edit and delete custom views. And how do you do that? Head over to data, and once you click on data, go ahead to view and select the view that you want to edit. So this is the view. So make your desired changes, click on save once you're done, and for you to delete it, just go ahead and for this view, go ahead and click on the delete button. All right, and in the filter view toolbar. So that's it, and that's the view. So this is the view currently here, and click on options and click on delete view, and that has been deleted. So you can go by the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.